EngineerGirl became part of my story. I submitted an essay examining the engineering process to their national contest with no expectations. Months later, I received an email that I won first place. The recognition from the national academies filled me with confidence, drive, and broadened my world, but it was overshadowed by the extraordinary women that I met. They welcomed me into the world of engineering. EngineerGirl is a unique program of the National Academy of Engineering to call attention to the infinite opportunities for girls and women. EngineerGirl includes a resource website featuring over 400 women engineers who volunteer their time to share their expertise. The program includes an annual writing contest and the Ambassador Program, which supports high school girls making a difference in their communities through engineering.
My initial idea was to have workshops weekly at an underprivileged town near me where I focused on hands-on activities.
I was planning on creating a SWE Next chapter at my school called CVHS We Next and gather a bunch of high school students to create an after-school mentorship program with the local middle school girls. We were both selected as EngineerGirl ambassadors.
We met at the Society of Women's Engineer Conference and we immediately clicked and became really close friends after that.
We were all ready to start our programs and then COVID-19 hit. Despite living in different states, we decided to combine our forces and ideas to create the EngineerGirl Steamers program. This 5-week program gathered 13 students nationwide online using Zoom. We posted those lessons on Google Classrooms, and then we sent them into breakout rooms so that the Steamer girls could communicate with each other and give each other advice on their projects.
We discussed the engineering design process, how to write a design brief, and how to write an experimental design diagram.
And we also gave them suggestions on how to improve their project.
The Steamer girls decided on their own projects based off of what they were passionate about. I was really impressed by Ella. Her project was creating a website that would highlight the impacts of bullying on people, give resources on how to prevent bullying. She coded her whole website using HTML and CSS from scratch.
One of my favorite students were Jaylin. She wanted to emphasize the importance of windmills in slowing down climate change. She created her own prototype of a windmill. She adjusted the blades at different angles to test which would produce faster rotation and a greater number of revolutions. We compiled all of their work into this EngineerGirl Steamers magazine. Kelly and I were really impressed at their hard work and determination to finish this program.
One thing that's really exciting about Kelly and Rachel's project is the emphasis on STEAM. And we believe that these superstar ambassadors in the EngineerGirl program are helping to inspire the next generation of female technologists, engineers, and creative problem solvers.
In electrical engineering, we learned that in order for a circuit to work, it must be complete. This is true in life as well. A complete professional life includes giving back. The women at EngineerGirl inspired and encouraged my journey into engineering. And now I want to do the same for others.
Thank you so much to the donors who supported this program. It really impacted our lives and all of the Steamer girls' lives.
The EngineerGirl program has really created a safe haven for me to fully indulge in my passion for STEAM, since the people within the program are just like my family.
Thank you for supporting engineer girls like me.